Hello, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we're bringing warmth into the air with the scent of cinnamon, sugar, and love. Let's make Royal Cinnabon, the true taste of autumn. Warm milk, a touch of sugar, gentle yeast. Let it wake slowly. Soft flour. The dough slowly awakens, rising with calm warmth. Butter, cinnamon, sugar. Spread them gently, the scent of autumn in every layer. A roll. Slice carefully, soft, sweet, warm, ready to comfort. The oven's heat. Wait as the aroma fills the air. Steam rises and warms the soul. Glaze flows. Let it melt slowly. Perfect harmony in every bite. Royal Cinnabon, the true taste of autumn made with love. Thank you for sharing this cozy moment with me. If you felt the warmth, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time with more sweetness, more comfort, and more love from the kitchen.